Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings of all sorts. So if you like unboxings, definitely click on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you hang out. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. I have a new clothing service to my channel today, guys. This is called We Blessings, and I found out about this through Pat, who is a fellow YouTuber. And for those of you who do not know her, definitely go check her channel out. The name of her channel is called Blessed GMP, and she is a super lovely lady. I will leave the link to her channel right up here. Now, here's all the basic information about We Blessings. It's like most of the other styling services out there. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile, you tell them your likes, your dislikes, etc., etc. On this one, most companies only give you 3 days to try everything on. This one gives you 10 full days to try everything on. And get this, guys, 40 to 60% off retail value. And there's no styling fee. Check, check, like it so far, right? But there is an $8 shipping fee, but that's all you pay for a bag to get sent to you. And anything, you only pay for what you keep, and anything you don't like, you send back, it's free shipping to return it. So it's only $8 to get a bag sent to you. And 40 to 60% off retail value, I really like that. There's no commitment, you can cancel at any time. And also, they not only have women's, they have men's, children's, and teens. So I will leave all the other information in the description box down below in case I forgot anything. And if I do have a referral link, I don't know yet, I will also leave that in the description box also. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. So how are you guys doing out there? Are you guys getting ready for Christmas? I can't believe it's December already and we are almost at Christmas. Oh, time is flying. This whole year has flown. It seemed to me like January dragged and then that was it. Now the rest is a blur. I can't believe summer's gone and we're into December already. Okay, I am getting this open. Now guys, like I said, on this one you have 10 full days to try everything on, and I've already had this for 10 full days. So I have got to try this on, get this recorded, and get it out the door today. But I would still love to hear your opinions on what you think of this and what were some of your favorite items. Here's the way it looks when you open it, and it says, "Your blessings have arrived," and she has my name written on it, so it's nice and cute. And this is a pretty big bundle, right? And like I said, it's free to ship anything back. There's your return label. She has a little note. Let me read the note. It said, "We wanted to send a special note to say thank you for joining our family. We hope that you love the selections that your stylist has chosen. Now let the fashion show begin. We Blessings." How nice and sweet is that, that they took the time to write a welcome. Now here is the checkout form. And let me open this and see what's in here. Like I said, this is all completely new to me. Okay, it says, "We are so excited that you have decided to join our family. We know that there will be something that we'll cherish and remember for years to come. We have hand-selected 6 outfits for Sheila," my name. It says, "Take 10 full days to decide what you like. Check out by logging onto your personal account at weblessings.com. Click Manage Checkout, etc., etc." It tells you all the stuff that I've already told you. And here is all the items that they sent me along with the price. Wow, they tell you the retail price on this, if you see that, and then they say the price that I'm going to pay. So that's cool. And they offer payment plans also. Okay, right here it says, "Don't forget to refer a friend and get a $50 credit." So if you guys use my link, you will give me a $50 credit, and I would totally appreciate that. Okay, so it looks like there's one more paper. And it just says the same stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. And it looks like some nice winter thick clothing, which it's that time of year. We need nice warm clothing. And I will hold up the bundle and show you guys. That looks lovely. Now here is the first item out of the box, and that is this lovely sweater from Style & Co. And I love the design on it. I love stripes, as you can tell. But yeah, this is really cute. And as you can see, it has like these little holes, if that's showing up on the camera for you. So you would just wear like a little cami underneath that. So it's like nice and warm, but not too warm. You have a little bit of air circulation. And I love, love, love the pattern on that. And this is Style & Co. black, white, long sleeve knit sweater. The retail price on this is $59.05, but through this company, $29. That's a good savings, right? So I like that one. That one has promise. And it looks like another nice sweater coming out. Oh, I think I'm liking this. Oh, but the neckline, we'll see. We'll see about the neckline. But who is this by? This is by Kenzie. And I'm going to hold it up as I find it on the packing slip here. Kenzie, Ivory, long sleeve knit sweater. $89 retail value. Wow, Kenzie must be an expensive brand, but I would pay $44. So it looks like a nice basic ivory sweater. It would look really cute during the winter, especially maybe at Christmas. It would pick up a nice Christmas necklace. I'm uncertain about this right here around my neck. I can handle some stuff around my neck. It depends on how it feels. But this is feeling soft, so maybe. Let's see. Oh, I like it's a little longer in the back and shorter in the front. And it's, let's see, 47% cotton, 43% acrylic, 5% polyester, 4% nylon, and 1% spandex. So we will definitely try that on and see what we think. It's a maybe. And here is another blouse. Well, I don't know about this one, guys. This is either going to be a hit or a miss for sure. This is definitely a style blouse. Who is this by? Onehart. But as you can see, my first impression was, look at those sleeves. I don't know how I feel about that yet. It might look cute. We're going to try it on. But the information on this shirt is called Onehart Pink Napoleon Sleeve. Napoleon Sleeve is what it's called. And the retail value of this is $44.50. If I bought it from them, $23. So there's the back. It has a nice little, I don't know what you call those, but little buttons in the back. It has promise. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them sleeves. Okay, here is the next item out. Oh, ooh, I might like this one, guys. This one I think I'm gonna like. Who is this made by? This is Xenia Premium Coral Swing Dress. I love a good swing dress. Retail value $55. My price would be $28, so I like that price. And I don't think I have this color. It's like a, what would you call that? Mauve? Is that a mauve color? But it looks like your basic swing dress. It gets wider as you go out. It does have pockets right there. It looks like 3/4 length sleeves. This has a lot of possibility for me. We will see. And here is the next item out. I don't know how I feel about this one. This is I don't know. Who is this by? This is by JM Collections, and I'll hold this up. And it says Coral Embroidery shirt. Retail value $59.50. My price would be $30. So it has a very heavy feel. Like, what is that material? 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I don't know. This might be okay. I'm going to try it on. My first impression was I would probably pass this by in a store, but you know, I have done that quite often. I have opened stuff up and go, oh, I don't know if I care for it, and then try it on and fall in love with it. So that is the good thing about these style services too. They make you try things on. You probably walk by because we all got our preferences in life. So that's why I like trying it on. I mean, $8, I get to try this stuff on and it gets me out of my comfort zone. Okay, now here's the next pair of jeans. And these are Jessica Simpson jeans. Oh, wow. I don't have any jeans like this. Now, it's wintertime, but wouldn't these look cute in the summer? Like, these look like cotton candy. They're like, what are they called? Tie-dye pants. Peach and yellow. And the price on these would be $79.50, but my price would be $40. Huh. I don't know. This is very different. But I could see them kind of looking cute in the summertime with like a cute tank top. Like it looks very summery to me. Okay guys, so that's everything. I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on. I'll be right back with the first outfit. Okay guys, here's the first item out. And this is the Kenzie Ivory long sleeve knit sweater. Retail value $89, but my price would be $44. Okay, first off, I have got to say I am super sensitive about anything against my neck, and this material, 2 thumbs up. I give this a pass all day long. This material, I am telling you, is butter soft. There is a reason this sweater is running at $89 retail value. Wonderful, wonderful fabric, and look how it fits me. I do not have to roll these sleeves up, guys. Do you know how rare that is for me? I always have to roll my sleeves up, and these hit me at the perfect length. And I love the classic cable knit design going down the front. I like how it's a little bit longer in the back. It's a lovely sweater, but the downside is the color. I'm a dirt magnet, and unfortunately for that reason, I'm going to send this back. Okay, here were the Jessica Simpson peach yellow tie-dye pants. My price would be $40. No, I can tell you I'm not going to keep them. I think they're cute, fun pants, and on the right person, they would be awesome. Just, they don't fit me. They don't fit my lifestyle, so I'm going to say no on them. Overall, they feel nice, though. I will give them that. They have a very good stretch. It's just not my tie-dye pants are a little bit too much out of my comfort zone. Okay, so I will be back with the next item. Be right back. This is the Xenia Premium Coral Swing Dress. Retail value $55. My price would be $28. Okay, first off, I'm going to say I love the length. I love the casualness of it. I would wear something like this in a minute in the summer with some flip-flops and hit the flea market with my sunglasses, my crossbody on. I would wear this in a minute. And I love the two little pockets right here. But it's December and I'm looking for stuff I can wear right now. But I like the length of it. It hits me at a good length. It comes up a little bit higher on the side. Just not a dress I'm going to need right now. Okay, so I'll be back with the next item. Okay, everyone, here's the next shirt out, and this is the J&M collection. This is a coral embroidery shirt. My price would be $30. I love a good hippie chick shirt, and that's what this is. And this would go great with leggings because it's nice and long in the back. So for that reason, I would say yes, and I do like a good hippie chick shirt. But I don't love all hippie chick shirts. This one's just a miss for me. The bell sleeves are just a little bit too much. I don't care for the pattern. I don't like the color. I do appreciate the neckline though. I love that detail about it. It's a miss for me. It's a close. I like a hippie chick shirt, just not this one. Okay, so I'll be back with the next item. This is the Style & Co. Black and White Ladies Knit Sweater, $59.50. My price, $29. Now, overall, I like the way it fits. Another sweater that hits me right at my wrist. Like 2 sweaters that hit me at my wrist. Like, that's amazing to me. So my stylist got my size right. So I'm really liking that. And I like the fact that it's a little bit longer in the back and comes up a little bit higher in the front. It has these like little holes. I had to put a cameo on underneath it. But it's just something about the stripes that I'm not liking. I don't like the way they line up. It's just not suiting me well. So for that reason, this is going to be a no. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the wrap up. I did not get to try this shirt on for you guys. This was the one where they call it the Napoleon sleeve. And I was able to get this on, but it had no stretch at all. And I can tell you 100% though, even if this would have fit me, it would have been a no. The sleeves were just a little bit, whatever Napoleon sleeve is, I'm not a fan of that look. Okay, and the dress. I absolutely did like this dress. If it was summertime, I would probably be buying this dress. But it's December, it's Christmas time, and I can't be spending my money on summertime stuff. This is just a miss for me. It's just not my style. This is my favorite out of the entire box, which completely surprised me because it's a mock turtleneck, and I'm not a big fan of those, but I'm telling you, if this was in another color, and I'm going to request that if she has this in another color, to send it to me in my next box, and I truly, truly, truly hope she does have this in another color because it felt lovely, and I love the sweater overall. And the Jessica Simpson tie-dye jeans are just a little bit out of my comfort zone. Fun, but just not for me. So I'm definitely giving this box another try because I love the prices. I love the name brand stuff that I'm getting in this box. It was just a lot of almost but misses. That's all. So we get boxes like that. So I am definitely giving this box another chance, especially with no styling fee, and it only cost $8 to get the box sent to me. So $8, big deal. I got to have fun and try on some fun clothes. Okay, and hopefully if I can get this in a dark color, it will be a definite win for me. Okay, so I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah.